Hi, I'm Amr Misbah. Peace be upon you, the author of English speaking program. Learn to improve your speaking step by step. We are going to listen to the short stories, then tell me what advice did you get? Let's get started. Our title is How Rich Are We? How Rich Are We? One day, a father and his rich family took his son on a trip to the country with the firm purpose to show him how poor people can be. They spent a day and a night on the farm of a very poor family. When they got back from their trip, the father asked his son, "How was the trip? How was the trip?" "Very good, Dad." "Did you see how poor people can be?" the father asked. "Yeah," exclaimed the son. "And what did you learn? What did you learn, my son?" asked the father. The son answered, "I saw that we have a dog at home, and they have 4. We have a pool that reaches to the middle of the garden. They have a creek that has no end. We have imported lamps in the garden. They have the stars. Our patio reaches to the front yard. They have a whole horizon." When the little boy was finished, his father was speechless. He didn't know what to say. His son added, "Thanks, Dad, for showing me how poor we are." Isn't it true? Isn't it true? Isn't it true that it all depends on the way you look at things? If you have love, if you have friends, family, health, good humor, and a positive attitude towards life, you have got everything. Believe me, you have got everything. You can't buy any of these things. You may have all the material possessions you can imagine, provision for the future, etc. But if you are poor of spirit, you have nothing. Believe me, you have nothing. Now, it's your turn, my dear listeners. What advice did you get? This is Amr Misbah. Bye-bye.